And tonight, a community meeting just wrapping up late tonight in downtown Phoenix on the court-ordered federal oversight of the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office, which dates back to the Arpaio era more than a decade ago.
These meetings can get heated, so the judge moved it to the federal courthouse. Amy Cutler is live, and this comes, Amy, after a scathing audit showed MCSO inflated reform costs.
Yeah, and Jared, Nicole, we are talking about more than $160 million, so a lot of money. It was one of several issues that was brought up at tonight's meeting that went on for more than 2 hours. And for the first time, the judge addressed some of those concerns as he spoke to the community.
This is not an easy case. It is an expensive case.
Judge Murray Snow spent the first hour of the meeting providing background. The case dates back to 2008 when Latino drivers sued then Sheriff Joe Arpaio and the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office, successfully arguing they'd been racially profiled. There were also concerns regarding how MCSO was policing its own. Judge Snow appointed Robert Warshaw and his team to work with the department and oversee reforms.
It is a case where everybody in Maricopa County has been benefited, whether or not they appreciate it.
Then in 2023, the judge explained then Sheriff Paul Penzone included the cost associated with the case, nearly $200 million. Since then, it's grown. By the end of the year, the county estimates it will top $350 million. It raised questions.
MCSO, nor Maricopa County, cannot and have not to date provided their justification for these figures that they published.
It's why Judge Snow ordered an audit of MCSO's numbers. That audit, released earlier this month, found they inflated the cost of the lawsuit by $160 million.
I don't think there is any mislabeling of funds. I don't give the monitor's report any credibility whatsoever.
Sheriff Jerry Sheridan has been in office less than 10 months. Before the meeting, he took questions.
The judge seemed to take some issue with the sheriff's office for not providing more details about the money that was spent. So, what's your response to that?
Okay, my response to that is absolutely ridiculous. The finance people, 2 of them are ready to quit. They've been here for over 20 years. They gave them everything they needed.
Back in the meeting, the monitor urged calm.
What we need to do is have serious talk, and let the rhetoric diminish, and let's just make collective progress.
Now, the sticking points remain that backlog of internal investigations and disparities in traffic stops. And keep this in mind, to come into compliance with this lawsuit, not only do they have to meet those goals, but they have to keep them for 3 straight years. So a pretty high bar there. The sheriff, though, says he is optimistic that he will be able to meet those goals soon. He didn't provide, though, a timeline for when that might be. Live in downtown Phoenix, Amy Cutler, Arizona's Family Investigates.
Yeah, interest still very high in this. 10 years in running. Amy Cutler live for us. Thanks, Amy.